What is your name?
My name is Mary Joyce Ocfemia.
How old are
I'm
you?
38 years old,
What is your religion?
Catholic.
Are you married?
No,
Do you have son or daughter?
no,
Okay. How long you have been working in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Do you have working experience in other countries?
No,
Okay. How long you have been working with your current employer in Hong Kong?
2 years.
Where is your latest employer living in?
Typho Market,
Okay. How many square feet of your employer's house?
2,100 square meter.
2,100. Okay. How many family members are they?
There are four,
Four. How many kids?
two kids,
How old are they when you came?
11 and 13.
Okay. Would you please describe your daily working schedule? What time you wake up in the morning?
I wake up in the morning in 6 o'clock.
Mm-hmm.
Then I do my first hygiene.
Okay.
Then preparing the breakfast of the son.
Okay. Of the kids, okay.
Then then car washing,
Mm-hmm.
cleaning the house.
Mm-hmm.
Sometimes go to market and
Okay.
come back. Then washing, then ironing.
Okay. So, do you prepare the kids' lunch?
No,
Okay. So, how about uh doing the dinner? Do you prepare dinner?
I prepare the dinner and I assist my coworker.
So, the one do the dinner is the cook the dinner is the coworker.
Yes,
Oh, so you only assist.
yes, I assist my coworker.
Okay, so what time do you eat for the dinner?
8:30,
Okay, until what time you go to sleep?
10,
10 p.m.
10
Okay,
p.m.
where will you go on your holiday?
in the church and then in the park.
Okay, so what kind of household chores are you good for?
In washing and ironing and car washing,
Taking care
taking
kids.
care of kids,
Okay, so how about your cooking?
just basic cooking.
Okay, but you can cook and
Yes, I can cook and
follow the recipe.
follow the instructions
Okay, willing to learn.
and willing to learn.
Okay, so what is your job in your country before you came to Hong Kong?
I'm a lady guard.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you.